welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So sorry if I look a little busted, but I'm basically doing some cleaning. Alright, so most of my videos are going to be about reviews and about cleaning. So welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about cleaning basically, and I'm just going to show you what a regular clean entails. Alright, so most of our cleaning jobs, the client tells us what they require. Oh, and you can follow us on Instagram. It's AD&R Cleaning Solutions on Instagram. So the client basically tells us what they require us to do, and we do as the client require. So today I'm going to just do a regular clean, and I'll just take you guys along on the journey with me. We're halfway through the cleaning, and we're just going to take a small break, a very short break, and